Unless you're lucky enough to live in Scotland, the land of free university, you'll have to stump up around £9,000 a year to get a degree. How do most students pay? Student loans. Most loans are from a government-backed scheme called student finance, and you can use the gov.uk website to find details of how to apply depending on where you live. There are two kinds of student loans, and unless you're Scottish, you'll probably need both. A tuition fee loan pays for your tuition. The money goes directly to your university, so once it's approved, you don't have to worry about it. A maintenance loan gets paid into your bank account. It's money to help with expenses like rent, travel, and groceries. Tuition fee loans are a fixed amount, whatever the uni is charging. But your maintenance loan can change depending on your situation. Planning to live with your parents while you study? You'll receive less money than someone who moves into uni accommodation. Studying in London? You might be able to borrow more to cover higher living costs in the capital. There's also extra support available through grants, bursaries, and scholarships. It's worth checking the gov.uk and uni websites to see if you're eligible, as this money won't need to be paid back. Your loans will need to be repaid though, with interest, but student finance loans are usually friendlier than regular loans. It's more like a graduate tax. You'll only repay the loan when you're earning over a certain income, and the amount you pay increases as you earn more. The payments get taken automatically from your pay, just like taxes. If you're not earning, the repayments stop, and the debt gets wiped after several decades anyway, so you won't be stuck with it into retirement. Student loans might offer a better deal than private loans, but there is one condition. You might only be able to do one degree with student finance, so pick your course carefully.